Good morning, friends. Good morning, everyone. My name is Shyam Sharma and welcome to Timers Travel Talks, episode number 37. I wish and I hope that you're all doing great, and I pray for God, pray to God that you're doing well. Now, dosto, we are here again and we are going to talk about travel again. But the twist here is going to be, हमने सोचा कि अफ्रीका का टॉपिक हम लोग काफी डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, काफी सारे स्पॉट्स हमने बता भी दिए, तो हमने सोचा क्यों ना कुछ नया करते हैं. एंड वी हैव स्पोकन अबाउट ऑस्ट्रेलिया, वी हैव स्पोकन अबाउट अफ्रीका, हमने नेपाल के बारे में भी एक टॉपिक किया था. तो हमने आज सोचा क्यों ना हम इंडिया के बारे में बात करें, तो उसमें भी एक ट्विस्ट है. सो कैन एनीवन गेस इन नेक्स्ट 15 seconds? Okay, so can anyone guess in next 15 seconds कि आज का हमारा टॉपिक किधर लोकेटेड है? क्या वो इंडिया में है, क्या वो इंडिया के बाहर है? नेक्स्ट 10 seconds आपको गेस करना है और मैं आपको एक ऑफर दूंगा. सो प्लीज राइट डाउन इन द कमेंट वेयर विल बी द टॉपिक फॉर टुडे. Is it inside India or outside India? And if it's inside India, then where exactly it is, or if it's outside India, where it is. So दोस्तों, your time is ticking up. I'm waiting for the reply. I hope आप यहाँ से देख नहीं सकते हैं. But anyways, okay, let's start with the topic today. So today we are going to talk about Andaman and Nicobar Island. So Andaman and Nicobar Island is very much located in between the Indian Ocean and India के क्या कहते हैं, इंडिया और थाईलैंड के बीचों बीच में ये located है. And it is very popular tourist destination getting day by day. So for solo travelers, मेरा आपको एडवाइस यही रहेगा कि आप यहाँ जाएं और आप यहाँ के untouched territories को टच करें. So this is the best advice I could give for you, that you go to places where people are not going in numbers. So there are about 572 islands located in Andaman and Nicobar Island, out of which only 9 is open for public visit. The history is very rich in Andaman Nicobar Island, and when we talk about history, we don't know this for fact, but one of the tribes that are found there is almost 60 to 70,000 years old. Yes, दोस्तों, ये 60 to 70,000 year old जो ट्राइबल पब्लिक आई थी, जो वहां बस गई है आज से कुछ 60-70,000 years ago, दोस्तों, they are very much not connected with the technology even today, and they are still maintaining their culture, they're still maintaining their tribal rituals exactly the way they used to maintain 60-70,000 years ago. ऐसा माना जाता है कि ये अफ्रीकन कॉन्टिनेंट से माइग्रेट होके आए थे टूवर्ड्स अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड, एंड देन once they came to Andaman and Nicobar Islands, they made it their home. They haven't gone anywhere from there. They've just migrated from their motherland African continent. So this was one of the interesting facts, my friend. Now मैंने जैसा कि बताया कि काफी ही पॉपुलर टूरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन है अंडमान निकोबार आइलैंड, एंड please tell us in the comment section how many of you have gone to the Andaman Nicobar Islands before in your life. Okay, so I'll be waiting for your comment. Now, the popular destination to be visited in Andaman Nicobar Island is number 1, Port Blair. So Port Blair एक ऐसी जगह है दोस्तों जो कि reasonably popular है, and it is the capital of Andaman Nicobar Island. So a lot of people go there first to go anywhere else. So Port Blair is a place where you're going to find every facility available, possibly available, and food and all the other curricular activities available. So whether it is scuba diving, snorkeling, bike riding or fishing, ये सारी ही चीजें available हैं वहाँ पे. You can go there with your family or without your family and explore the whole Andaman Nicobar Island. But Port Blair is famous for its ancient jails, and अगर आपने इंडियन मूवी देखी हो काला पत्थर, जो मूवी आई थी, that movie is based on that island, Andaman Nicobar Island. So Mr. Bharat is saying hello, Shyam. Hello, Mr. Bharat. Nice to see you. So nice to see you here again. Thank you so much for your support. It means a lot. It means a lot to us. And yeah, we'd love to talk about some places in Andaman Nicobar Island. So, moving on, my friends. There's a place called Havoc Island, which is now renamed as Swaraj Island. Okay, so it is one of the most popular tourist destination because of Radhanagar Beach. And this Radhanagar Beach is rated as world's 7th most famous beach. And this was, world's 7th best beaches in the world, which was rated by Times Magazine in the year of 2015. So this is just one of the beaches, and I will just take the name of the beaches that are located in Havoc Island, Swaraj Island. So first was Radhanagar Beach, second is Govind Nagar Beach, third is Elephant Beach, Vijayanagar Beach, and then Kalapathar Beach. So there are a lot of bike rentals, scuba diving activity, and snorkeling activities available here as well. So if you're a person who loves ocean, who loves the sea, wants to see the inside world, the coral world, this is one of the best places available for you. Now, Elephant Beach is one of those controversial beaches where there are a lot of myths around that beach. So let me tell you guys, it's completely safe to be visited, and it is one of the best places that could be visited by solo travelers. So यहाँ पे आप जा सकते हैं, यहाँ पे कुछ 2 से 3 किलोमीटर का ट्रैक है, where you can go on a day where you don't want to do anything but just walk, and you can take a hike, and just to be at the place, you can go to the Elephant Beach and cook yourself a dinner or lunch, enjoy, have fun, and then come back. Now, these were 2 beaches. Now, third number is Neil Island. Yes, dosto, Neil Island is again one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. There's no ranking as per the Havoc Island, the Swaraj Island, but Neil Island is another one of the paradise, life paradise that you can witness around Andaman Nicobar Island. And there are a lot of bursting flora and fauna plants which make it a very pristine location. Okay, a lot of beaches, usually we visualize just sand and water and maybe coral if your imagination is a little bit further. But यहाँ पे काफी flora and fauna is available, which makes it look a little bit like this, if you know what I mean. But yeah, so यहाँ पे आप काफी activities कर सकते हैं, but one of the most special activity which is available here is you can go on a boat ride. Now this is not a ordinary boat ride. You have a glass base in this boat, and you can enjoy the ocean life. You can enjoy the ocean life through this boat, and it is one of the world-class experience that you can experience. So my friends, my question to you is, what is stopping you today? Just book your flight, just book your tour, go solo, go with a group, go travel, start traveling. The world is opening up slowly but steadily. Be safe, the vaccination is out now. So मेरा आज आपको अगेन एक ऑफर रहेगा. Yes, दोस्तों, buy any Timer's backpack in next 24 hours, and what you're going to receive is a cashback, a substantial cashback amount from Timer's office if you buy a Timer's backpack from any of the platform, whether online platform or offline platform. Online platform पे Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Shopclues. There are so many platforms available, and offline you know where to go. We have more than 550 dealers across India, and we are growing day by day. So thank you so much for your support. It means a lot to us. It means a lot to everyone that we connect. It is just an amazing experience. So dosto, don't forget, go and claim your prize, go and claim your offer from online or offline portal. So until tomorrow, I'll see you again. Signing off, Shyam Sharma from Timer's Travel Talks. Bye-bye.